This is the One Pot Casserole Cookbook. Easy oven to table recipes, and it's in a paperback too. And you're gonna find 75 different easy to use casserole recipes. Let me show you a close-up of what it looks like. Here's a close-up of the recipe book, and it has easy to follow recipes. It also tells you easy ways of how to save and store and freeze, as well as reheat your food. And look how delicious these look. Perfect for breakfast, lunch, and dinner too. Casserole dishes are such comfort food, and also it's just an easy way of preparing a meal. You just make it and then put it in the oven, and then it's done. So simple and easy to use. Definitely recommend this book. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.